Good morning. I hope everybody had a nice evening and your Thursday is going well so far. Today is Thursday, October 8th, 2020. Today for your special, you will have music and it will be at 11:45. So special music is still 11:45. And today is the 27th day of school. So 2, 10, 7, or we can count. We have our one coin worth 25 cents, which is called yeah, that's right, quarter, and then 2 pennies. So this would be 25, 26, 27. All right, before we talk about our schedule for today, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. On the board, you see I have a number sentence, an equation, and it says 5 plus 4 equals 2 plus question mark. Do you think you can figure out what number would fill in the blank to make that a true sentence, a true number sentence? Go ahead and think about it. If you want to post it as a comment, that's great. If you don't want to, no problem. But see if you can figure out what would fill in the blank. All right. For today's schedule and today's activities, this morning you will have coming out first thing the application problem for math, and then there will also be a seesaw activity for you to record that first fluency passage. So the passage from BiblioBurrow that is on the handout 7A. You'll see that there is a picture of it in the activity, and all you have to do is use the microphone tool to record yourself reading it. If you'd like to read it from the workbook and actually, use your finger and follow along from the actual workbook while you're recording, please feel free to do that. I know sometimes I find it easier to read on an actual piece of paper rather than off of a computer screen. So whatever works best for you, but all you have to do is record. The picture of it is already there. So that is that. And then for our 10 a.m. class today, we will take our spelling test with the short U words, and we are wrapping up BiblioBurrow today and tomorrow. So we will do our start working on our writing task, just like we did with Tomas. We'll do that this morning. At 10, we'll work on it together, and then you'll have some after we finish our class. And then at 1 o'clock, we'll meet again for math and work on lesson 21, and you'll send your problem set and exit ticket after that. So this morning, there's really just two things. So if you do have some extra time, feel free to, find a good book on Epic. Feel free to go on Zern if you would like, and feel free to go back through your Lightbulb and see if there is anything that still needed to be completed if you have some extra time, and you could work on that this morning. All right. Also, if you wanted to check out Flipgrid and go back and watch, even if you sent your video in, if you wanted to go back and watch and listen to some of your classmates' responses, feel free to do that as well. All right. So let me know if you have any questions, if you need any help, and I'll talk to everybody soon. Thanks so much.